appreciate it. Hey, how fast that go? 25? 25? Be safe! Bro, he be on that bitch. He be on that bitch, bro. Real talk.
Respect it.
Bro, I hope it don't rain. That shit would kill my vibe.
For real though. I killed my speaker, huh?
Oh yeah?
I killed my speaker, huh?
I had to turn that bitch off. Would you rather have one of these or two of those? Yeah. I figured as much.
I'd rather have that, hell yeah.
Bro, I'm dead. Oh my god, bro. Wow. The goggles gonna fly off. You know what time it is. We're at the Tampa Joe's. Tampa Joe's, baby.
Yes, I'm starting to get used to whatchamacallit too.
Brody? What are y'all boys? My boy popped out with the SURRON. Where'd he go? What's up, y'all boys? How's Tennessee?
The shit.
What's Gucci, brother?
That rain's been like that. On and off, on and off. Ain't nothing but a chicken one.
I'm praying we don't get rained out.
Nah, we ain't getting no rained out. Shut up.
Nah. That happened already.
Yeah?
That's in the past. It was just a little miss.
I want to try one so bad. This one has no brakes. Oh, it has no brakes? You're wild.
I don't condone this shit.
Ain't got no brakes, but he got a fishing rod.
I have to ask. Can I try?
That been running though.
He got a fishing rod. That's how you stop it himself.
No,
That bit running now. That bit running.
I
fuck with
got
that.
no brakes.
You're going or coming from that shit.
What up, this nigga finna get hit. Oh my god, he's
Yo, he's
wild.
Flintstone that shit right now.
He's wild, bro.
He's gonna go through some shoes. Literally.
You can't hear that shit for nothing, bro.
That shit's quick though.
That shit is fast, right?
Hey, is there a tune in for them bitches?
Huh? Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, not really. Different controllers. You can fuck with the controllers.
True.
What's up, brother? I'll put my shit over here. Oh! That shit's hard. That shit hard as fuck. You out? Nah?
Yeah.
You going to the gas station?
Nah, I'm out.
You out?
You gonna rain.
Yeah. Is it?
B2 come out.
Yeah. Ride safe, brother. Ah! That boy scraping. That boy really scraping that shit. We outside. What up?
I got it all rebuilt finally. Car was rebuilt, spark plugs, coils, fuel pump, ignition, got my keys.
We still not get it back in the seat.
Oh, I mean, you know, that's minimal.
Do a little seat cover.
No, I mean, that's real.
Instead of just get your own. Just get your own material and do a seat cover.
Yeah.
That's what I would do. What's that 1 thou?
That one now? I need me a bike though, for real.
What's up, y'all?
Does that thing weigh like 10 pounds?
It's like 80 frame at least. The battery is like 20, not even 20, like 15 pounds.
The bitch is wrecked a little bit. She's wrecked a little bit. She's quick though, for sure, on sport. All sport, she's like 30. On sport, she's 50. Even with the wire cut and shit. So.
You gotta upgrade his controller, his tires.
Shit, I don't know shit about electronics.
I don't either.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, I had
Gotta get one of those. Get one of those.
It's a good pay.
Bigger seat.
It's carbureted.
He said, yum.
Back traction. That shit straight pipe sounds raw. This is ZZR, but it's a ZX6.
Hey, I seen your little wheelie last like 2 weeks ago. I'm like, yeah, me and Joel were like,
Oh, when I left?
yeah, you passed us. We were right here. We were like, yeah.
Yeah, I did that for y'all because I remember you said last time you wanted to see that shit, but it was a cop.
I know. You popped it up. Yeah.
It was ass though. That was an ass wheelie.
Just a little quick.
Yeah.
Saying, if
A
I
little
get a
straight
big
pipe
bike,
action.
you better sound like that.
I hope
like you
that it don't rain. We outside. It just sounds good as fuck.
I need my shit to blow like
Oh,
that.
this-
much lean in that fucker. I'm gonna pop that bitch up.
Oh yeah. We got one.
I'm gonna do some on this other street. I just need to slow him down. That's why I kept braking.
Yeah, I beat that. Tried to chase it at the end.
Yeah, and I know he don't got no fucking brakes, so I'm trying to get like far enough ahead of y'all to where I can brake to that.
Woo! Almost hit the bill. Hey, look.
Oh, that's those kids from earlier.
No, nigga, almost hit the bill. I've been seeing them everywhere, bro.
They live over here. I talked to one of them earlier. Huh?
Almost like it's still in the bike lane, my nigga. Oh my god. I hit the bump, I hit the curb, nigga. Trying to get myself back on the bike.
You almost took me out.
Hell yeah, that shit almost took your ass out, nigga. Oh.
Bro, if I did not look, it would have been an accident, bro.
He was literally this close.
Yeah, bro.
Exactly how we are right now.
I looked back, I said, oh.
That was fucking crazy.
Oh yeah.
Hey, look, this bitch on 16. I told you we make it back to the crib.
How many bars?
Like 3 bars.
How many bars?
Huh?
How many bars are left?
Got a belly button
Like,
ring.
bro, I'm on 16.
You heard he got a belly button ring. He said it's for his girl.
Yeah. He finna put that shit on.
That's what I said, bro. And it's a little red tights, bro. Yeah, that's him right there.
It's for my toes. It's for my toes.
Those crazy.